For many trade show exhibitors, one of the most challenging obstacles to face is finding a way to display every idea onto a limited space. What exhibits really need now is a wall solution that has flexible, functional display options with a blank canvas to create amazing designs. Qlevo was created to solve these problems and specializes in doing more with less. Our first design was developed back in 2008, and after 9 years of consistent innovation, our patented design has brought something truly one of a kind to the trade show floor. Our Slattile wall system allows you to capture the beauty of your design to fit any personality, and our system is lighter and more durable than any traditional slat wall system. Qlevo allows you to create a fresh look each time, with graphic imprinting and texture options available at your disposal. You can easily change the theme or look of your wall by swapping the front panels without having to replace the entire wall system. Installation is simple. Start with aligning the baseboard to the desired surface, drill in the screws, and snap in the front panels. Then, accessorize to create the sensational experience you envisioned. Qlevo has the capability of supporting slat wall and third-party accessories, giving you the freedom to integrate mounts and accessories that were never designed for a wall system. The creativity doesn't stop there though, still giving you plenty of choices for shelving selections. You can turn any cabinet or shelf into a Qlevo accessory. All it takes is 5 minutes. Plus, our design is LED friendly, giving you the perfect space between channels to integrate your choice of lighting. Create a captivating visual experience without sacrificing space. You can turn to Qlevo to deliver you the leading development in wall displays. Let's work together to turn your next exhibit into a show that will excite your viewers, engage your audience, and bring your creative vision to life.